base payout is generally referred to the proportion of people in a claim pool that actually get their claims paid out. So insurance companies regularly have to deny claims for a number of reasons, amongst which are fraud and improper claims, maybe not covered under the insurance program. But a lot of times it's actually a little bit of a game of chicken. So what we're really doing in an insurance company is try to preserve claims being paid out so as to preserve the money that's in the bank. And to allow for those premiums to come lower, we need that bank reserve to be safe. So when we pay out claims, we hope to reduce that. How do we do that? In insurance companies, what we want to do is essentially go right off the bat and eliminate, let's say, half of the claims and pretend like they are fraudulent. Now, we don't know yet if they are actually fraudulent or they're improper in some way, but we'll make that assumption and let the legal system deal with sort of the reminiscence of that error. So there is always a chance that the claim is fraudulent, and by half off kind of a percentage way of denying claims, we've essentially ironed out potentially half of those errors. Now, with this half, there might be legitimate claims, and what's going to happen is the claimant will notice or give a notice that I'm going to sue. And that's the place where the insurance company decides, is this person or this particular claim worth further pursuit and denial, or should we settle and get this paid out? Essentially, what they're doing is gauging a couple of things simultaneously. Whether the claim is actually real, that's one aspect. The other is, how willing are you to fight for that? And if you're not so willing and you're not maybe in a good position to do so, or maybe the value of the claim is just not worth your time or the effort it's going to take, you're likely to just let it go, and that means less claim paid out and less legal fees for them having to fight you. So really what it comes down to is sort of a threshold of worthwhile pursuing. So the question for the insurance company is this claim worthwhile pursuing and not paying when you do sue them? And off the bat, to just go out and say, yeah, we're just going to deny you, let's say for 50% of the claims, and see how many of that 50% come crawling back suing for their actual money. So overall, moral of the story, yes, there's a lot of claims that are fraudulent, but insurance companies also overcompensate by a lot of times over denying a big portion of those claims.